Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate percent weight loss. Now this is a formula of percent weight loss. We have baseline body weight or the usual body weight minus current body weight divided by the baseline body weight times 100. Now let's have an example. The baseline body weight or the previous body weight of the patient is 60 kilograms. Now the current body weight is 52 kilograms. Now let us start calculating. So we will start first with 60 minus 52. So 60 minus 52 equals 8 kilograms. Now 8 kilograms, we will divide that by 60. So 8 divided by 60 equals 0.1333, and we will multiply that by 100. Now 0.1333 times 100 equals 13.33 weight loss. Now what is the importance of this one? The importance of this one is that unintentional weight loss of 10% or more of an individual's body weight within 6 months or 5% weight loss in 1 month is considered to be clinically significant. Now these results may put the patient at risk of protein energy malnutrition. Alright, so that would be all for today's video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also don't forget to hit the thanks button below the video. Thank you so much everyone. Till the next video.